Right, so today we have beautiful Nay here. I'm gonna try and give her a really beautiful, pretty pink smoke. So let's get on to it. First, what I'm doing is shaping the eyebrows. There is no rhyme or ritual when it comes to makeup. You can start the brows first, you can leave them till the end. But in this instance, I just wanted to get them out of the way. So we're using the P. Louise base again around the eyes and on the eyelids as a base. And then going straight in with a pomade to do the brows. So I'm not really changing Nay's eyebrow shape because I think her eyebrow shape is actually pretty awesome. So I'm just deepening it up and going straight in with eyeshadow, using like a medium tone peach shade or pink, peachy pink, putting that in the socket, and then going in with a deeper, brighter pink, all matte to begin with. And I'm using the exact same shade as I did to deepen up the crease, but I've just put that over the lid. Here it's just intensified slightly by me moistening the brush, popping in some black eyeliner. I use the Inglot AMC one again and just blending that out, using that above the lid too. I'm gonna actually smoke this out because I want it to look softer rather than harsh. And we are going in with the iconic drops. This is gonna add a really beautiful dewy glow. And going in with a correcting shade. So previous videos we used like a peach shade. In this one we use like an orange, because it suits the skin tone. And now foundation. Again, I always use a mixture to try and get my client's shade. Sometimes they can be a bit off, but it's nothing that can't be corrected, and doing the correcting prior to adding foundation really helps. Here again, I've custom blended some tones to add depth and warmth, so contour and bronzer. When you put foundation on your face, it can look a bit flat and you lose all shape. So you're just adding the shape back in, and sometimes obviously with what you use you can control what shape the face structure looks like. And concealer again, custom blended. Gonna let that sit for a bit. I always like to blend the concealer out after it's set a little bit, that way you get full coverage out of it. Sharpening up the contour area with this same concealer shade. As you can see, like I'm not using glowy foundation, but because of the iconic Nude drops, you can get that glow coming through. Time to set. Using a slightly yellow tone under Nay's eyes, just to set it in place. And this is a miracle powder. It's actually from MAC. It's the Prep and Prime powder. Because it's got a slight orange tone, it actually helps in cancelling out any darkness around the mouth area. I'm gonna move into blending the under eye, same shades as above. Just creating a bit of a flick there with the eyeshadow. And going ahead and using a contour shade. So I always like to do cream and then I like to blend powder on top for longevity. Adding a bit of blusher. Again, I don't tell my clients to ever smile. Setting in place. After I set, I love to go in with the highlighter because I get the most intense highlighter out from it. I always say to my clients, your foundation will always look so much better after about 30-40 minutes of application. Everything just has time to settle. It just looks so much better. Adding the highlight to the brow bone. Again, you can miss this or you can use a matte shade. I just chose to use a highlighter. And going ahead and using some lashes. Doing a little bit of a reverse flick just to give like that cat eye reverse look, or reverse cat eye look, and then blending the false lashes with mascara, bottom and top. And again, always line the lip. It just gives you a shape to go in with. And as we've got such a bright colour on the eyes, just toning it down with the lips and adding like a nude with a shimmery lip gloss on top. And here's the final look. So with this eyeshadow, you can actually use green, blue, anything, same concept, different colour, you get a different look every time. Stunning. If you do try it again, do let us know, tag us in your videos, give us any suggestions, any type of makeup looks you'd like to see.